Here's how to restore deleted pages in WordPress the easiest way. If you deleted a page and need it back, don't rebuild it yet. WordPress normally moves deleted pages to the trash. Go to your WordPress login page. Sign in with your administrator account. Once the dashboard loads, look down the left sidebar. Click Pages, then click All Pages. The full list of pages currently on the site opens. At the top of that list, you'll see the status filters. They are All, Publish, Drafts, and Trash. The exact options can vary a little by WordPress version, but Trash is always there. Click Trash. Deleted pages sit here until they're permanently removed. If the page you lost is in this list, you're in luck. Find the page. I'll use Contact Us as the example. Move your mouse over the page title. WordPress shows Restore and Delete permanently underneath the title. Click Restore. WordPress moves the page out of trash and back into all pages. A small notice appears at the top saying one page restored from the trash. The row disappears from the trash list. Now click Pages in the left sidebar again. Click All Pages. Scroll down and find Contact Us. It may appear as draft or published depending on its previous state. Click the title to open the editor. Before you publish anything, check the content. Look at the title. Check the text. Check images, buttons, links, videos, forms, and layout. Also check the featured image in the right sidebar. Don't rush this because the featured image can drop even when the text comes back. Now check the page status. In the right sidebar, find Status. The drop-down may show Draft, Published, Pending Review, or Private. If the page needs to be live, set it to Published. If you're still reviewing, leave it as Draft. I always leave it as Draft until I've previewed, because publishing before checking is how broken links go live. If you change anything, click Update in the top toolbar. Click Preview in the top toolbar. In the drop-down, choose Preview and New tab. The page opens the way a visitor sees it. Check the images, check the text, check the buttons, spacing, forms, and links. If anything is missing, go back and fix it before you publish. Next, check the page URL. In the editor sidebar, find the permolar URL field. Look at the slug. It should show Contact Us for this page. If it does, leave it. Don't change the URL unless you have to, because the old page may have search rankings or links from other pages pointing to that exact address. If you do edit the slug, save it and check the page again. Now check your navigation menu. For a block theme, go to Appearance in the left sidebar. Click Editor. Open the site navigation block. The menu editor opens with a live preview on the right. Look at the header menu. If Contact Us is missing, add it back here. If you don't see Editor here, your theme may use the older Appearance and Menu section instead. Restoring a page does not always put it back in the menu, and that's a common thing people forget. Then check links on other pages. Open a page that links to Contact Us, like your About page. Click the Learn More About Our Services link. It should open the restored page. If it doesn't, check the URL again. Now go to your home page. If it had a Contact Us or Learn More button, click it. Make sure it leads to the restored page and not an error. If it opens an error page, note the URL and compare it to the page permalink. This quick check catches most broken links after a restore. What if the page isn't in trash? First, don't assume it's gone forever. Go back to Pages. Click Trash again. Search for the page title in the search box above the trash list. Type Contact Us into that search field and the list filters immediately. If you manage several WordPress sites, double-check the site and admin account because that's an easy mistake. Now go back to Pages. Click All Pages. Check the status filters. Check all drafts, published, and trash. The page may not have been deleted at all. It might have been switched to draft or private instead. Search for the page title here too. If the page still exists but some of its content was removed, you can use revisions. Open the page again. In the editor settings, look for revisions. WordPress stores previous versions of the content when revisions are available. This is different from restoring from trash because you're restoring an older version of the page's content instead of the whole page. Click Revisions. You'll see previous versions of the page listed on a timeline. Use the slider at the top of the revisions screen to move through them. Find the one that still has the content you lost. Check the revision date and time. Then choose Restore this revision. The exact button can vary, but WordPress loads that older content into the editor. Now, if the page was permanently deleted, the normal restore option won't work. Trash and delete permanently are different. When you choose delete permanently, WordPress removes the page from trash and there's no built-in undo. Don't start rebuilding yet because a backup may still have it. Go to your hosting account or backup service next. Look for daily backups, weekly backups, or manual backups. If you have a copy from before the deletion, you can restore the entire site or just that page, depending on the setup. But don't restore a full site backup without knowing what it will replace because it can overwrite newer content. If you use a WordPress backup plugin, open that plugin's dashboard. Look for the Backups, Restore, Snapshots, or Previous Version section. Find a backup from before the page was deleted. If you're not comfortable restoring it yourself, create a current backup first. Then restore the old one or ask your host for help. If you can't recover it yourself, contact your hosting provider. Ask whether they have a backup from before the page was deleted. Give them the page name, the approximate deletion date, and the page URL. For example, tell them the Contact Us page was deleted yesterday and ask them to check for a backup from before that date. Now, a few things that keep you from making this worse. If you deleted a page, check Trash first. Most accidental deletions are recoverable there. Don't click delete permanently in trash unless you're absolutely sure you never need the page, because after that recovery gets much harder. After you restore the page, check its URL. If the original slug was about us and you now see about us too, that's a sign WordPress created a new slug because the old one was still reserved somewhere. Fix that only if you know what you're doing, because about us too breaks the old links. Check the navigation again. Look in the header, footer, menus, and any buttons that should link to the page. A restored page can appear in all pages but still be missing from a menu or a call to action. Open the restored page in your browser's responsive mode. Set it to a phone layout. The page reloads. Check the images, text, buttons, forms, spacing, and navigation. Mobile is where a restored page often breaks even when desktop looks fine, especially with a page builder. And set up regular backups if you don't already have them. Open your backup plugin or hosting backup section. Check that scheduled backups are turned on. Don't wait until you lose an important page to discover your backups haven't been running. For a quick example with Contact Us, the full route is pages, all pages, trash, find Contact Us, restore, then pages and all pages again. Open Contact Us, check content, check URL, check navigation, and publish or update if needed. That's the path you just walked through. The most important thing to remember is that deleted doesn't always mean gone. Check trash first, and before you permanently delete anything, make sure you won't need it later. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful, because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.